This video contains material that may upset or offend some people. Discretion is advised. It's a hunting video.
The block we are hunting in is tribal land, no poachers and no 1080 poison. Have a look. 5,000 hectares of private land and 20,000 hectares of duckland next to it. And that is where we're gonna hunt today. Atua, please give us safe and pleasant hunt. Thank you. The road is just started. I don't know whether you can hear this fallow buck. And we're going to get the quad and go to the other side where there is a bit more open area and green grass and just work there. There we are, there's about half a dozen of deer there. Seems old fellow. Hey, I think the top one is a spiky. What we should call a look, mate. Okay. He looks an old bugger, eh? Eh? He's an old bugger. Yeah, good on him. He can still do it. Oh yeah. She's off, and then they go. And now we're on it. Nah, we can't shoot them. It's 2 lines for sure. Come in front of me. Come in front of me and line up. Okay, I'm on him anytime. That is shot. That is shot. Now shooting. Awesome. Awesome. Look at that. Good size, beautiful. My great ancestors look after the soul of this deer and guide it to the north, to Cape Reinga, for its soul to depart New Zealand to its birthplace and motherland. Look at that, mate. Awesome day to be up and chasing deer rather than being 6 feet underground and looking the roots of grass and trees. Now here you can see her lips sticking out. Not a best thing for us. We might as well just walk down there. There's nothing up here. We may see something down there. Oh, right. I'm sort of bothered, but never mind. We just walk down. No rush though. There are 3 or 4, about half a dozen of them sitting down. And this one is spiky. It's a good one. Dark color. Can you see him? Wait till I find them. You see those two hinds? One brown and on the right hand is a white one. Yes. If you go just below them, he's sitting down and there's a bloody fucking tire in front of him. Old tire. It looks like a bit of a tire in front of him. Can you see it? The front one? Once. Okay, if you want to take him. That's a good one to take if you can. I'm ready, you take me if you can. Wait. He's right on the top. Oh, fuck, beautiful. Oh. On the top. Fuck, beautiful. Oh, mate. That was an awesome shot. Well done.
It's a close one. Nearly got away.
Just about. Ooh. Hang on. Guess the ups over there. My great ancestors look after the soul of this deer and guide it to the north, to Cape Reinga, for his soul to depart New Zealand to its birthplace and motherland. Nice shot, mate. That was awesome. Really good one. Yeah, plenty of meat. Get to those trees and tie them up, clean them up. Done. Gutted. And we have to take it back to the base camp. And here we are at base camp. We skin the deer, load them up, and bugger off. Day is finished. Now we are at the base, and that's the last bit, just the skinning.
It would be nice to be ambidextrous.
Oh well, we'll get there. And this one, and that's the other one, just about the last bit. Just pulling the skin off. It's good to be walking and not 6 feet under. Hey guys, thank you very much for watching our videos. I appreciate your support. Hope you enjoyed this trip, and you take care, and alright. Hey, come on. Hey. We hope you enjoyed this hunt.
We hope to see you in New Zealand sometime.
Ka kite ano.
And he says we'll see you later.
Alright. We give tons of meat and meat products every year to friends and families and those people that they cannot afford to buy it. Do make it. Stand strong and be forgiving, my brother.